These are the worst mistakes made by humans. Let's see this.
Man throws natural material into a volcano.
Oh. Oh, I think he starts the volcano, huh? That's crazy. When you see that, you better start running. You know that lava is about to go crazy. Yeah, you better start running, my friend. That's crazy. Lava is so sick. It's crazy that it destroys everything, though.